my journey where I've test driven the XUV700 at the Mahindra Proving Track, where I went 180 kilometers an hour around the track. Can you believe it? And then I was lucky enough to meet some of the 3,700 engineers who helped test and develop these incredible vehicles. And I'm here today at the production plant where I get to see how these cars are brought to life before they head off to our shores in Australia. So let's check it out. Helmet on, go. Well, this is where the car begins its life. I've got a blank piece of metal here, and behind me are all the molds for the doors, the roofs, the bonnets, you name it. It then heads into a stamping machine, and that's where the magic happens. So all the elements that we saw created back at the stamping shop are now here at the welding place, where all of the elements are fixed together and create the body of the car. Now this is my favorite part of the entire process. We've seen the car be welded together, and now the body is ready to be primed and painted, and we're right here at the paint shop and we're moving on to the next assembly line. So we're at the interior assembly line right now. We're watching everything you touch and feel in the car being installed. So that's the seat belts, the seats, and as you can see now, the dash. How exciting is this? I've been really impressed with my time here in India with Mahindra. Seeing how the cars have come to life has been a really eye-opening experience for me. Seeing the XUV700 be tested, developed, and now the production line coming to life, it's just unreal to be here. And I've actually made my purchase of the XUV700, and I've been told this is my car right here. I cannot wait to see her back in Australia.